Is that the same brother you may na-encounter siyang two Chinese spirits?
Yes. Okay, so being a good friend and Christian, when we have a family member from our friends who pass away, we really visit their way, comfort the family and everything. Kaya lang, here in one of the,
Sanctuarium?
yes, my brother specifically told me not to go to the third floor kasi may nakatambay doon na entity who claims to have met Jesus Christ or knew Jesus Christ. So ganoon siya katanda. I was telling my brother, anong itsura niya? Give me some pointers what to avoid. Kasi my brother knows na I don't like the grotesque kinds of things. No? He was telling me na it looks like a Chinese general na matanda. Tapos sabi ko, what about the language barrier? If this guy was Chinese, how did you understand each other? So actually, you will understand each other when an entity wants to talk to you. For some weird reason, you'll understand each other. Yun, nagkwentuhan siya. But literally, that also spooked my brother out. So he's never going back to that funeral place again.
Can you elaborate on what the conversation was?
Basically, traveling spirit siya, wandering the world.
Okay.
Kasi pag ganito, you also have to take it with not just a grain of salt, but with a lot of pan of salt. So parang ang dami niyang kiniklaim kasi
Yes.
about Christianity and about Jesus Christ. And then, sabi ko, baka naman the devil is tempting you or something like that. Baka nag-change ng form or something like that. Because it has happened before to him na nag-change ng form tapos kinakausap siya.
Yes.
But the thing is, for this one, it sounded very, parang very wise guy in spirit na yun. Maraming nakwento sa kanya about, yung travels siya about the changes of the world and everything like that.
Wow.
So, no ill intent naman. But, I guess these guys are also lonely kasi. And when they see someone that they can connect to or talk to,
Yes.
they take the chance. Yun yung analysis ko dun sa chance encounter na yun.